Okay, so here we are. It is January 29th, about 2:35 p.m. in the afternoon. You can tell a little bit that the lane closer to me has recently been visited by a plow. I mean, just a few minutes ago, I thought, but it's already turning back to whiteness here. Quite the snowy day so far. You know, I was just thinking to myself, someday people will watch this video and say, wow, would you look at all those old cars? Alright, now it's about 20 after 5, 21 after 5, something along those lines. And as you can see, still quite snowy. Luckily not entirely huge amounts of, like, you know, action on the road here. We don't want cars flying into things. It's just pretty. Can we zoom in here? There you go. That gives you an idea. Well, I can tell you, the side streets are quite slick. Just walking around on this is just tricky. Feels like it's snow over ice. Let's see how this goes. Well, here's proof positive that the most excellent Blizzax and my Ford Taurus were able to get up and then get back down Division Street there. I'll have to admit, it felt slippy. I mean, that's a slippery road. It was definitely, we came down in 1 mile an hour and I was able to do it, no problem. I didn't slide, but you got the sense that without the tires, without anything slightly not perfect, without the will of the Lord, this was going to slide right down to South Valley. So you got to be careful with this stuff. Here we are, down on South Valley, and near the center of town here, getting towards the center of town. Yeah, he'll be busy tonight. As will this guy. Plow truck. Now here's something I didn't expect. A snow train. And a bus to block it. More zoom. That's the most zoom. it wasn't for the bus, it'd be a great view. Of course, it's still snowing fairly hard, so. And it's night. Actually, I don't know. It's like 6 or 7, somewhere in there. Let's have a look. Okay, we'll look right now. It is currently 6:11. There you go. Earlier than I thought. Well, kudos to the burros, because this is a heck of a lot better than it was before. And you think that's not a major accomplishment, you can still see down here what the main road looks like. We'll take a look at that in a minute. You see, there's the freshly plowed burrow. And I'm not saying that, the state's not taking care of their stuff, because I've seen those trucks going back and forth. It's just a lot to keep up to. And this could be just a matter of lucky timing on my part. Thank you, Jesus, that we could get up this hill, because lots of fun stuff there. But, yeah, so here it is. What time is it? Obviously, evening. We'll double check. I have a rough feel. It is about 6 minutes to 7. So, here you are, 6 minutes to 7 p.m. on the 29th. This is what you're looking at as far as Winter Storm Jaden is concerned. I'll tell you, I will say one thing. For 7 o'clock on a Monday, this is not a lot of traffic for this road. Everybody's staying home. I was just out to shovel. This is really quiet. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, only it's 7 o'clock at night.